of telescopes here in the Roque de los Muchachos. We will see them all in our way up to the Roque. And here on the right hand side we can see how steep it could be to get to the highest part. We have the ravines, we have the whole mountains, very steep parts. And this is something that is start being very like representative from the Roque. The colors here, the right and on the left, the colors of the stone. This is again the same process that we have seen in Cumbrecita, the magma dikes here on the left, like a wall, another color. All the lava that is surrounding it has been changing the color because of different process. For example, here in front of us, this orange color is because of the iron that has been rusty, and it's wonderful to see this contrast. The ravines with the vegetation down there, the clouds, the sea of clouds, the mountains here with different colors, the telescopes, the views that we will have. It is quite amazing here at the top of the island of Palma. The telescopes are here because it's considered to be one of the set of telescopes more complex in the world. We have a very big group of telescopes placed separated, and we will see them also from the very top, all of them in line.